I make videos for nonprofits, lots of videos for nonprofits. And about twice a month, we receive a call from a smaller nonprofit interested in doing a video, but who can't quite afford to work with us. Rather than making fun of them for being poor, we encourage them to make their videos in-house and to send us their first draft to look over. Now, this offer has led to lots of smaller nonprofits sending us their in-house videos. After reviewing dozens of these homemade concoctions, we've noticed two things. The first thing we've noticed is that all of these videos suck. And the second thing we've noticed is that the vast majority of these videos could be brought from an F to a B- if the filmmaker were to change just a few small things. We noticed that we kept giving the same pieces of feedback again and again. So one day, one of our editors decided to compile our most common feedback into a PDF, and she began emailing it out to smaller nonprofits who wanted a video but who weren't able to afford us. The PDF was met with critical acclaim, and it soon became the 50 Shades of Grey of the nonprofit video production world. It wasn't long before nonprofit communicators started requesting that we turn the PDF into a series of tutorials. This series of 14 tutorials is the video version of that PDF. While the production principles we talk about in these tutorials are universal to anyone making a video, they're specifically tailored to nonprofit videos. This video series covers the nuts and bolts of video production. These videos will not teach you how to make a great video. What they will do is teach you to make a video that doesn't suck. The information in them will get your videos from an F to a B-. Our target audience is nonprofit communicators. The videos are not sequential, and I encourage you to jump around. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to email me at benjamin@retainermedia.com.